Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the housing scraper tool help you collect property leads automatically. First, install the real estate scraper tool from the Chrome Web Store and add to Chrome extension in your browser. Now open the real estate website housing.com and search for what you need rent or buy projects or listings and apply filter like location, budget or property type. Once the results load, copy the full page URL from your browser and open the real estate scraper tool, select the housing and paste the URL into search box and click to start process. Once the you click, the tool will automatically start extracting property data. You can see live progress and view all leads in the table, including price, phone number, location, bedrooms, and more. When you stop the process, the data will load instantly as a CSV live. After stopping the process, the data is loaded instantly as CSV file. You can use this file for sales, marketing, CRM, or lead management. That's it. Simple, fast, and no manual work. Thanks for watching.